Did you know? Most of the projects fail for one simple reason. It's not a bad team. It's not a lack of effort. It's because they try to change time, cost, and scope all at once. And the worst part? Most people do not even realize they are doing it. That is where the triple constraint comes in. In this video, we will explore what the triple constraint is, why it matters, and how project managers use it to balance competing project demands. What is triple constraint? The triple constraint is a project management model that highlights the relationship between three key project factors: time, cost, scope. These three elements are interconnected, meaning a change to one will almost always affect the others. The goal of project management is to balance these constraints while maintaining quality and achieving project objectives. Understanding the three constraints. Time. Time refers to the schedule required to complete the project. It includes deadlines, milestones, and delivery dates. When timelines are shortened, teams may require additional resources or a reduced scope to meet expectations. Cost. Cost represents the budget available for the project. This includes people, materials, technology, and other project expenses. If budgets are reduced, organizations may need to extend timelines or reduce deliverables. Scope. Scope defines the work, features, and deliverables required to complete the project successfully. Expanding the scope often increases both project cost and project duration. Why the triple constraint matters. The triple constraint helps organizations make informed decisions and set realistic expectations. It provides a framework for evaluating project changes and understanding their impact before problems arise. By balancing time, cost, and scope effectively, project managers can improve project outcomes and reduce the likelihood of failure. How the triple constraint works. The triple constraint is based on a simple principle. You cannot change one constraint without affecting at least one of the others. For example, increase the scope, more time and budget may be required. Reduce the timeline, additional resources may increase costs. Reduce the budget, scope, or delivery timelines may need adjustment. This relationship helps project managers make realistic decisions when project changes occur. Every project operates within limits. Time, cost, and scope are constantly competing for attention, and changing one will almost always affect the others. The triple constraint helps project managers understand these relationships, make better decisions, and maintain realistic expectations throughout the project lifecycle. Because successful projects are not about getting everything, they are about balancing what is possible. Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more insights on project management, leadership, and professional skills.